Hey, sixth graders. I wanted to show you a few things that I'd like you to take note of on Google Classroom. So I'm actually going to use my daughter Renee's classroom so that you can see it from a student view. So this is her English class at the high school. But what I want you to do is to go to well, first of all, there's a couple things I want to show you. One of them is that you have access to a Google Calendar right in your classroom. So if you click on calendar, it's going to take you to calendar and it will show you when things are due. So like you can see Renee has assignments due on the 7th and the 10th. So that's a really nice place to keep yourself organized. Another thing you can do is you can view your work up here at this tab so you can see what you have coming up for your week that's due. And then if you go to your to-do list, you can actually have a list there of what you have that's assigned, what's missing, and what do you have done. So that's a nice place to keep yourself organized too. So let's go back to that class. I wanted to show you on your settings, but now I'm having trouble finding that on Renee's. Well, I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, but that's okay. Also, if you go back to your screen that shows all of your classes, like these are all of Renee's, you can click on this calendar right here too, and it'll show you like your week view and what you have due. So that's nice as well. And then go back to her English class. So the other thing I wanted to show you, when you have classwork, like you guys had your slideshow, and you want to turn something in, I'm not going to actually turn in Renee's assignment, but if you click on that assignment and you view assignment, and you look over here to the right, this shows you what's assigned and what you should be working on right here. And when you are finished with that, you click right here to turn in. You don't share the slideshow with me. All you have to do is turn it in, and then I'll know that you've turned your work in. If I return your work to you, you might check to see if I have a comment, if there's something more I want you to improve on, or if I'm good with what you turned in. Those were the couple of things I wanted to go over. Also remember, I'll keep announcements on the stream, but any assignments will be in your classwork, and I'll try to keep it under a topic over to the side.